Hey there, explorers of the unknown! Welcome back to my channel, where we uncover the most mind-blowing facts about our world. Today, we're diving deep into the crazy facts about the unresolved mysteries of the natural world. From baffling creatures to strange phenomena, get ready for a wild ride into the unknown. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Let's get started. Number 10. The immortal jellyfish. Did you know there's a creature that might have unlocked the secret to eternal life? Let me introduce you to the immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Turritopsis doharnii. This tiny jellyfish, no bigger than your pinky nail, has an incredible ability. It can revert to its earlier, younger stage of life whenever it's injured or under stress. It's like pressing the reset button on its life. Instead of dying, it starts over, essentially becoming biologically immortal. Scientists are still studying how this amazing process works, and while it doesn't mean humans can live forever, it offers fascinating insights into regeneration and aging. Number 9. The Sailing Stones of Death Valley. Now imagine this: a lifeless desert, scorching heat, and giant stones that seem to move all on their own. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? In Death Valley, California, this eerie phenomenon actually happens. Large rocks mysteriously slide across the desert floor, leaving long trails behind them, as if they've been pushed or dragged. For decades, people had no idea how these stones were moving. Some thought it was the work of aliens. Others blamed magic. Scientists now believe a combination of thin ice sheets and strong winds helped the rocks glide. But even with this explanation, the sight is so strange that it continues to amaze everyone who sees it. Number 8. The Taos hum. Imagine living in a quiet, peaceful town, but being constantly haunted by a mysterious, low humming sound that no one can explain. That's the reality for many people in Taos, New Mexico. The sound, known as the Taos hum, is a low-frequency noise that only certain people can hear. What's even more bizarre is that scientific studies have been unable to pinpoint its source. Is it caused by natural vibrations, hidden industrial equipment, or something even stranger? No one knows for sure, but the unexplained hum has left many residents baffled and even frustrated. It's one of those odd mysteries that keeps scientists scratching their heads. Number 7. The Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle has captured imaginations for decades, and for good reason. This infamous stretch of ocean, located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, is linked to countless stories of ships, planes, and entire crews disappearing without a trace. Some people believe magnetic anomalies in the area cause navigational equipment to fail, while others suggest massive rogue waves or undersea methane eruptions might be to blame. Despite these theories, no single explanation has solved the mystery of why so many vanish here. It remains one of the most haunting enigmas of the modern world, making people think twice before crossing its waters. Number 6. Bioluminescent beaches. Have you ever seen the ocean light up as if it's full of tiny stars? Bioluminescent beaches are an enchanting sight, where the water glows in vibrant shades of blue and green at night. This magical effect is caused by tiny organisms, like plankton, that emit light when disturbed, creating shimmering waves as you walk or wade through the water. You can experience this breathtaking phenomenon in places like the Maldives, Puerto Rico, and Vietnam. While scientists know that chemical reactions in these organisms create the glow, the exact details of how they coordinate these mesmerizing displays remain a mystery. These glowing beaches feel like stepping into a dream, showing just how magical nature can be. Number 5. The Eternal Flame Falls. Imagine hiking through a forest and stumbling upon a waterfall with a small, flickering flame burning right underneath it. Sounds impossible, right? Yet that's exactly what you'll find at Eternal Flame Falls in New York. The flame is fueled by methane gas that seeps out from deep beneath the ground, igniting into a steady golden glow. But here's the strange part. Scientists are still puzzled about why the flame doesn't go out, even with water constantly flowing over it. It's a perfect blend of fire and water, creating a natural wonder that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. Visitors are left in awe of this peculiar and unexplainable marvel of nature. Number 4. Animals that predict disasters. Have you ever wondered if animals have a sixth sense? It seems like they might when it comes to natural disasters. Elephants have been known to move to higher ground before tsunamis. Dogs often bark or act restless before earthquakes, and frogs abandon their habitats before floods. These behaviors have been observed for centuries, leaving scientists curious about what triggers them. Some believe animals can pick up on subtle vibrations in the earth or changes in air pressure, things that humans can't detect. Others think animals may sense chemical changes in the environment before a disaster strikes. While we don't fully understand how they do it, this phenomenon highlights the incredible instincts animals have, making us wonder if we could learn from them to predict disasters in the future. Number 3. Lake Hillier's pink waters. Picture a lake so vividly pink it looks like it belongs in a fairy tale. That's Australia's Lake Hillier. This stunning body of water has puzzled scientists for years because its bright pink color defies easy explanation. While many agree it might be caused by a combination of salt, certain types of algae, and bacteria, no one can pinpoint the exact reason. The lake's pink hue doesn't fade even when water is collected in a container, adding to its mysterious charm. Surrounded by lush green trees and the blue ocean, Lake Hillier is a breathtaking sight that leaves visitors and scientists alike marveling at one of nature's most vibrant enigmas. Number 2. The disappearing bees. Have you noticed that bees are disappearing at an alarming rate? This strange and worrying phenomenon, known as colony collapse disorder, has left scientists scratching their heads. Entire bee colonies are vanishing without a clear explanation, which is a big deal because bees play a crucial role in pollinating the plants that produce much of our food. While pesticides, diseases, climate change, and habitat loss are thought to contribute, no single cause explains it all. The mystery of why bees are disappearing is one of the most pressing environmental issues, reminding us just how delicate and interconnected our ecosystems are. Number 1. The Mariana Trench. Imagine a place so deep and dark that it's barely been explored. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our ocean. This underwater abyss, reaching nearly 36,000 feet down, is one of the last great mysteries on Earth. Scientists have only scratched the surface of what might exist there. Strange creatures with glowing bodies, unknown species, and bizarre geological phenomena could be hiding in its depths. What's even more incredible is that over 80% of our ocean remains unexplored, making the Mariana Trench a symbol of just how little we know about our own planet. Who knows what otherworldly secrets it holds? It's a true reminder of how mysterious and awe-inspiring Earth still is. Wow, isn't our world full of wonders? Which of these unresolved mysteries fascinated you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love exploring the unknown. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and stay curious.